Hey people, so it's a Friday, and Fridays are always I'm running to go and whatever pick up my child, and today I just made this whole discovery that I realized that if you have a chubby face, and if you're a girl, you should necessarily wear jhumkas because that makes the face little less chubby, and uh, and especially if you tend to put your hair at the back all the time, so then your earrings come into prominence. No, I've realized I have already. I don't know how people would go and get other piercings done and all. Yeah, it's so. I don't know. I mean, it's they get like their nose pierced and these other set of thing. It's there's enough pain in the world. Yeah, why do these people get more pain onto their lives? But that apart, what I was about to say, I forgot. No, see, some of these rambling videos might be like, what is she saying and all, but no, yeah, this is the reason why I set up my channel. So, like, I wanted to sit and chat and discuss life with you folk. So that's what with regard to anything. No, I've realized if you start following a pattern, it makes life simpler. Like I've told myself I could do at least 4 readings a day, like easily, and then I want to learn broccoli, planting broccoli, mushroom and broccoli, these two things करना चाहिए, even mushroom. So that also is something I'll do. And I've realized one of the most effective ways to complete tasks is to group them, like so I've told myself I should feed my birds, my rabbits and dog, and water the plants at the same time, together one set of activities done. And then this whole yoga thing, one set of activities. So see, so much gyan, morning, early morning gyan. No, not early morning. It's 10, and I'm waiting for this particular refrigerator repair gentleman to show up. So that's what I'll go and eat something also now. But it's already 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.